This year, our Tech Futures Challenge Skills Building Workshop was hosted at the Life Sciences Innovation Hub in Calgary. Our event saw over 70 participants, including more than 50 enthusiastic young minds and 20 seasoned mentors from across Alberta, BC, and Ontario. For 2 days, students got their hands dirty in the world of innovation. Multidisciplinary workshops brought together the fields of synthetic biology, tech, and entrepreneurship. Teams had the opportunity to sharpen their wet lab skills, learn the basics of cloud and AI systems, 3D printing, and coding. Thanks to our wide network of subject matter experts, participants also learned more about the unintended consequences of technology, project and team management, and how to fundraise to best support their projects. With seed funding, expert feedback, and strengthened skills, our teams are eager to unveil their project prototypes at the Prototype Showcase this May. Their prototypes are tackling a sustainability challenge from their community. Mindfuel challenges students to innovate and inspire. Join the challenge at connecttoinnovate.ca. The future of STEM innovation is in your hands.